How's it going, everyone? I'm Sean and welcome back to the channel. This is pretty much the last installment for my great guitar build-off of 2022. If you haven't seen all of the other ones, first of all, go back and check them out. But to bring you up to date, this is what we're building. It has a neck too. This is a short scale bass with a faceted offset neck, walnut body, ash top stained this gorgeous green, bird's eye maple neck with some kind of a book matched rosewood fretboard, matching headstock. Keeping it cool this year, we are not doing that again, but yeah, I'm in love with how it came out. Hope you guys are too. This is it. We're going to be doing all of our assembly, getting it together, getting strings on, wiring, making a nut, the whole shebang. So get yourself a nice hot cup of tea, coffee, whatever you want, get comfortable and enjoy. I'm going to approach this video slightly different from the others in that I'm not actually going to stop all that often, take breaks and explain what I'm doing. I'm going to kind of just motor away. Most of what I'm doing should be fairly self-explanatory. I'm going to be putting in some shielding paint. I'm going to be actually assembling the guitar, doing the wiring, all of that kind of thing. I don't think most of that requires too much explanation. So I'm going to carry it right through to setup and everything. Realistically, the next time you hear me speak may well be the outro for this video. So enjoy that. First thing I'm going to start with, of course, is the shielding paint. That needs a little bit of time to dry. So while it's drying, I will be putting on tuners, putting on the bridge, doing the wiring, all that kind of stuff. Let's jump into that. Enjoy. With the strings on, that's it. It's finished. What do you guys think? I love it. I absolutely think it's just cool. Not to, you know, praise myself or anything. I have one or two little things that I need to address. First of all, my brake angle here is a little funny, so I'm gonna have to address that. I'm gonna have to come up with an inventive way, probably some kind of retainer bar, because those bassists of you out there know that a string retainer would go right about here. You may also notice I don't have my pickup cover on. It doesn't fit. Would have been nice if we checked that beforehand, but I'm gonna have to do some fettling on that, probably do a little bit of gouging there, something. I'll figure that out when it comes to doing a playthrough of this quite soon, I hope. It'll all be together, assembled fully, so I'm afraid you're just gonna have to come back and watch another one of my videos. Or check out my Instagram. I'm gonna post up pictures of this on that before this video comes out, in fact. So, go check that Instagram out. Give me a follow. I'd appreciate that there as well. Right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for following this. Stay tuned for a sound test and a bit of a walkthrough on specs. And also stay tuned for the raffle, I believe. Best of my knowledge, because I'm in the professional category of the Great Guitar Build-Off, this is going to be raffled. That means this cool bass that is actually, it weighs nothing. This could be yours for the low, low price of whatever a raffle ticket is. I have no idea. Keep an eye out for all of that, guys. So definitely be tuned into my Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, that subscribe, check out my merch, all of that good stuff. See you all again real soon.